Welcome everyone, I am Harz Nawaz and today we're going to be talking about Avogadro's law. This is an experimental gas law, and this is really important because you can find the relation between different containers holding different amounts of gas. So let's jump right into it. Avogadro's law, or Avogadro's Ampere's hypothesis, is an experimental gas law relating the volume of a gas to the amount of substance of gas present. The law is a specific case of the ideal gas law. It states that under the same conditions of temperature and pressure, equal volumes of different gases contain an equal number of molecules. So, that's a lot taken. So let me just break it down to my own definition. When the temperature and air pressure is the same for two different gas measurements, equal amounts of space that the gas occupies will mean both measurements have the same number of molecules. So basically, we're gonna give another example right here through an equation. Hopefully, you guys a different way of understanding it. So this formula above states that the volume of a gas container is directly proportional to the exact number of molecules in there. So right there it says V over N equals K. V is the volume of gas. N is the number of moles of gas. Moles is just a type of measurement. And so the volume divided by the moles will equal a constant, such as temperature or air pressure. This equation can be rearranged to represent two different gas containers where they can be shown to be equal to each other. Alright, and right here we have an example of that, what we just showed you. So these both are the same container. However, the amount of volume is different. So you can see that this is a handy tool here. You just move it up and the volume changes. So here we have different containers of gas, and we know from the law that they are proportional to each other. So here we can see that the first balloon has 2 moles and something around liters, 3 moles and 30 liters, and then something moles and 45 liters. So since we know that they are proportional, through that we can just find out that the answer to the proportion is 10. 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 10 is 30, 4.5 times 10 is 45 liters. And that's how the law works. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a little presentation, little demonstration of Avogadro's law, gas law. So right now I got two different containers right here. And if you guys are asking, well, these don't have gases, any container that, like, you're going to have a liquid in it as well. However, the amount of gas in there, it still has gas. So let's just say, theoretically, these have the same volumes of gas, the same molecules. And I'm in a room temperature room, I think. So I'm pretty sure. So these both have are in the same temperature. Same temperature. So since we have that here, from Avogadro's law, we can see that the volume of gas in here is proportional to one another due to the constants, which are air pressure and temperature. Yeah.